You talk. Okay. What exactly is this issue about?
The fast is exactly to begin with.
If you can just introduce yourself first.
Myself, Dinesh Shelar, I am a member of Cross Organization, Bandra. The fast we've called is regarding the mismanagement of money, stalls, and as well of the matter with Rupesh Gomes. And the priests are unwilling to listen to us. We've even got a letter from Bishop Agnello wherein he states that Father Aniceto and Father Neris is not listening to him, and they are just doing whatever they want. Rupesh will put more light on what had happened with him. Rupesh, you can.
Okay, Rupesh.
Yeah, I'm Rupesh Gomes. I belong to Nativity of the Lord Church, Kandivli East, and I'm a member of a cross organization as well. Thing is that I am a whistleblower.
In this issue, yeah.
In this issue.
Yeah.
So I was targeted in Bandra Fair. From last 2 years, I have been targeted from Sunil Solanki. He is the main. You can't say that Father Neris is the rector.
Mm-hmm.
The main character behind Father Neris is Sunil Solanki. He is running the Basilica, not Father Neris. Sunil Solanki is running the Basilica.
Okay.
Yeah, Father Neris, yeah. And even his age is at 94, I don't know, he's not able to handle.
Yeah.
So people, they are taking advantage. Yeah, they are breaking the canon law as well. Yeah. Though I am a whistleblower, so I have been targeting always from last 2 years. They have been told me that cops wanted the place for a CCTV camera. Yeah, facility issue. I have been taking my stall, mentioning that the cops wanted my stall, but instead of giving it to the cops, they are subletting to someone else. And my shop is like 70 years old. We are tradition. This is the third generation we have been doing the shop. Now this year, forcefully, my shop was vacated by DCP Mr. Satyanarayan Chaudhary, and the person was from on the church. We have the person who is Mr. Maxi, and they forcefully vacated my church premise, my stall, in which I have given a complaint to the additional commissioner, and I have got a reply from the police, Bandra police station, that this matter is between you and the church.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the reason we have come here. We wanted to listen to our grievance by our cardinal, because we have gone to Bishop Agnello and he has washed his hand and he has said, don't have any power, you go to the cardinal. We want our grievance to be listened by our cardinal.
Okay, so...
In fact, we have already informed the bishop as well as the cardinal, and from last 2 years, Bishop Agnello has been taking us on a merry-go-round. And he himself took us to the cardinal. Today he is asking us to go back to the cardinal. As you said, I have retired and I cannot handle this matter. He also mentioned to us that Father Neris and Father Aniceto is not listening to him. So we had no other option but to take this fast step to remove out Father Neris, who is 94 years old. He'll be 94 tomorrow. Can you believe 94 years and he's still sitting on power? Because this is the money power that he has got over here. He is not willing to move from here. For how many years he is sitting at North Mary's? Why? And Father Aniceto also said, both of them have got one broker, Sunil Solanki, to whom they are doing all their work, and
Why all the contract has been given it to Sunil?
The donation money he was handling with the keys. His son and daughter was rooming out money from the church.
We've got a confirmation
From Father Neris himself. He said, yes, he is saying one time. One time you all came to know, but how many other time he's been doing it?
and we have it on record.
And no one is taking any action, nothing is happening. So that's why we are on an indefinite strike.
So actually, what is this strike about? Is it a strike or is it a fast?
It's a fast.
It's a fast.
Indefinite fast actually.
Okay, so now who all are fasting over here?
There is
Myself one.
Yeah?
Dinesh and Judith is there on a one-day fast.
for a one
But
day.
she'll be coming tomorrow also to join us.
Okay,
These
okay.
people will be there here 24 hours.
Do you want to say anything?
There
Whatever
are other
issue,
issues
yeah.
also all over in Bombay that we have taken up with the cardinal for past so many years. Like the other issues where properties have been sold. I was an ex-trustee that was removed out, and finally the cardinal had to apologize for the priest's behavior. It's the parish priests that are selling off properties in all places. Thane, they've even Melvin and his team have all revoked the property from the builder.